How to make Wi-Fi stronger in a multi-story house or office. Get a Xiaomi Wi-Fi extender. We are unboxing EC120. Simply plug it into a socket. Download Xiaomi Home app on your phone. Click on Add Device and follow the following steps. A new Wi-Fi connection will show. Connect with it. It will ask you to rename the device. Set up a password for the new Wi-Fi. You are now connected to the Wi-Fi extender. Now I will show you the difference between the original Wi-Fi speed and the extender's speed. The average download speed is 7 megabytes per second on the original Wi-Fi. See, it's around 23 megabytes per second on the new Wi-Fi extender on the same floor. For more informative content, visit BERRYTECH.pk.